Well, hey, everybody. Happy Saturday afternoon. Josh Greason coming to you live from Forex Bootcamp and doing these series of daily videos. So happy Saturday. Hope the weekend's chilling for you. Chilling. Series of daily videos. One video per day for 30 days. So a total of 30 videos about my Forex trading life. And how it fits in with my normal everyday people life like yours. So I have a full-time job, wife and kids, other hobbies, commitments, pursuits, goals, dreams. How does Forex trading life fit in with that? What does it look like? What is the Forex? What is Forex trading? How did I learn? Why did I get into it? What's my long-term goal financially? How much money can you make? How much time does it take? What tools, what software, what strategies do I use? Who's teaching me and walking me from knowing nothing about Forex like I did 9 months ago into, becoming a successful Forex trader, multiplying money, compounding profits for the long term, walking into financial freedom. How does it all work? What's the nitty-gritty nuts and bolts of it? That's what the series of videos is, mostly. We've done 22 videos already. This is video number 23. And so I hope you've been enjoying this series. And today's topic has vanished from me here. Oh, there it is. Today's topic, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be a greedy person. Sorry, I'm just being silly. Always try to get a little snapshot for the video thumbnail. Anyways, so don't be greedy. What? No. I'm saying to you, don't be greedy. Maybe you even saw the topic of this video, don't be greedy, and you're like, I'm not greedy. I don't need to watch that video. So cute. You're so cute. So funny. None of us think that we are greedy. None of us think that we are impatient. None of us think that we are inconsistent, undisciplined, have no self-control, etc., etc. But it's funny what happens when you get into trading. You find that all of these things that are human nature and all humans are subject to are there. They actually are somewhere lurking under the surface, just waiting for an opportunity to be challenged and potentially come out of you unexpectedly. So greed is one of those things. And certainly, with Forex trading, the immediate goal is to make money. Now, that's not the whole goal. The goal is to make money so that you can do something else, right? So you can experience a life of freedom, of making your own decisions, enjoying your family, traveling, living life as you want, pursuing your passions, what you want to do with your life. Live the purpose that you were here for, not slaving away at some job, working for somebody, making them rich. Maybe it's a job you hate. Most people don't even like their job. That's not why we're here. So those kind of things are the ultimate goal, that kind of freedom, right? To live life the way we feel we're called to live it, to live a higher life, more consistent with who we are, with our goals, passions, and dreams. But money is a stop along the way that gets us there. You understand what I'm saying? So with Forex trading and money being an immediate goal, what a better opportunity is there to see the greed that's in you, or a temptation of greed to be tested, to come out of you, and then also to be overcome and pushed down and put in its place in Forex trading. So it's there. We deal with it. Here's some keys. That's why we're doing this video, right? First key, we've talked about a lot of these things before in other contexts in these 22 videos that have already gone by. But today, use proper lot sizes. We've talked about lot sizes and pips. We've talked about risk management. Use proper lot sizes. Why? Greed can lead you to want to get rich quickly, I want to double my account this week. I want to triple my account this week. No, just slow down. Slow your roll, fool. No, we all have those temptations, okay? Every one of us have come in and tried that and probably failed and maybe hurt ourselves. And once you get past that, you're like, oh, okay, that's probably not a smart decision. Maybe you're extra smart and you can learn from advice, from words of wisdom, and from other people's experience rather than having to have an experience of your own. But, a lot of people aren't. So use proper lot sizes so that you're only risking the 1 to 3% of your account on any one trade, et cetera, following all that risk management stuff I talked about yesterday in my risk management video. Number 2 tip for avoiding greed. Don't overtrade. If you get greedy and let's say the market is just popping, right? You get into the middle of the week and things really get rolling and like, oh, that one's moving. Oh, that one's moving. Oh, that one's moving. And you're like, I want to get in that trade. I'm going to get in that trade. I'm going to get in that trade. I'm going to get in that trade. Oh, but there's money to be made. You don't understand. I'm going to get in that one, that one, that one, that one. I got to give them all the good trades. That's just nothing but greed manifesting. You might not think of it in those terms, but you don't want to overtrade. Why? Why don't you want to overtrade? Because it gets unmanageable. And then you start making bad decisions. You don't remember why you even got into certain trades. You know, let's say a trade takes a dip into the red, and you're like, "Is that drawdown on my way to back up to profit?" I don't remember. I don't see my chart markups. How did I even get into this trade? Did somebody call it? Was it called on SwipeTrades? Was it called on from one of our mentors on IMLTV? Was it like, how did I even get in this trade? Or you're in 10, 12, 15 positions, and you're like, it's just too many charts to watch. Like, you know, as the market's moving, you want to maybe move your stop loss further and further into profit to, you know, secure profits along the way. It's just too much to manage. 3 to 6 positions open is plenty. Choose those 3 to 6. Be choosy about your trades. Pick the very best, most high probability, low risk payoff trades with the smallest risk and the biggest potential payoff. And just get in those 3 to 6 positions, whatever you set as your goal on your trading plan, or whatever is your limit on your trading plan, and that's it. But you don't understand. But this one looks so hot. It looks so great. It doesn't matter. No, don't overtrade. All right, that'll help you avoid greed. Next rule: take profits often. What do I mean by that? Trade gets rolling in the right direction. It's so easy in the middle of that trade. You've analyzed the trade, and you say your entry was up here, and you know, you have a take profit here. And you see, but it's rolling so good. It's moving fast. Like it got here in no time. Maybe I should just move my take profit down. But if you haven't, you know, secured profits by moving your stop loss into profit or protecting your profits and things like that, what if you get busy? What if you get tied up with a movie or a TV show or Netflix or fall asleep or whatever, and your trade retraces, hits your stop loss, and you either go into a loss because you never moved your stop loss, or you know, you just get a little teeny tiny $1 or $2 profit at the top because you didn't just leave your take profit where it was and secure those profits when you could have. Then that's bad. That's when profits often can be good. Now there is a balance to that, I understand, and this is always a trader's challenge. Is, let's say you get into what you believe is the very tip top of a price movement, and it's going to go down. You think it's going to go down 500 pips, 1,000 pips long term, whatever you think it is, and you want to get in, just set your stop loss in and ride that thing like for months, weeks, months, whatever, if you're a swing position trader. So to say take profits often, that can be a challenge because, you know, you get down here and the price moves in waves, right? So I'm saying get to that first wave, you might want to actually just take profits. Why? The worst thing that can happen if you take profits is you made money, right? You say, but I don't want to leave money on the table. You know, it's going down. I understand that, and that's true. But what if it goes down there and you don't take profits and it retraces up? And okay, let's say you were really good. You moved your stop loss just a hair into profit, and it hits that. Okay, you walked away with $1 or $2. Never be mad at that. You're still ahead of where you were when you opened the trade. Can't complain. But would it have been better to take $50, $100, $200 profit when you were down at that low rather than $1 or $2? Yes. Okay. What if it retraces? Okay, you're still confident of your analysis. Let's just doing a double top. It's retesting the support. The resistance. And then you can take that full bit of profit. Boom, you checked out with profits. It retraces. No big deal. Get back in at the high if you want to. I'm not telling you what to do with your trades, but it gets back up at the high. Get it in it again. You doubled that same chunk of profits again. You have nothing to lose by taking profits, okay? Or let's say it's not retracing all the way up to the top and double topping. What if it's just doing a wave? You check out of that low. It starts to curve up. You just check out of that trade. Wait till it gets to the peak of that retracement, that little flag there. If you want to, re-enter the sell there. You still, look, you did a profited from there to there, and from there to there. You actually overlapped profits in the middle. The only thing it took was a little extra management because you closed your position, you reopened your position. I understand that. But it's never a bad thing to take profits. Never be ashamed to take profits and walk away with more money than you started with, okay? Take profits often. So use proper lot sizes. Don't overtrade. Take profits often. Set and forget. That's an awesome way to avoid greed. Because, I take a little sip here. Set it and forget it. Helps you avoid greed because you don't get greed involved in your trading decisions while you have the open trade. Like I use that example, right? You take profit out to here, you're like, oh, let me bump my take profit down. That's getting greed engaged in your trading process. Stick to your analysis, set your stop loss, set your entry point, set your take profit. Yeah, manage your trade, get your stop loss into profit after you get a certain amount in. Secure yourself, protect yourself from any loss, and let your trade analysis stand. Stick by your guns. Okay, you programmed in your numbers, you did your analysis, or somebody else did, SwipeTrader did, one of your mentors did. If you trust their trade analysis, get in the trade, stick to the trade, the harmonic scanner, whatever you use to get into this trade, stick with your analysis, walk away, don't spend your time watching charts and moving take profits and it's just too much. Why create work for yourself? Secure some profits, you're good. Set it and forget it is the most profitable trading strategy there is. Okay, the ultimate form of set it and forget it, automation. Now, iMarketsLive, IML has no automation. For FTC compliance reasons, they don't want trading decisions being removed from the hands of individual traders. There's too many people getting involved, they're new, they need to learn the skills. This is primarily an educational platform where you're learning to trade, learning the skills that you can make money with for the rest of your life, and you make those trading decisions. But there are third-party products out there in the market that can automate stuff for you. You enter a trade, you can put a bot on your chart that manages the trade for you. It moves your stop loss down above each little wave as the thing continues, or up as the case may be if you're going to buy. Or there's other bots out there that open trades and close trades, and they do the whole thing for you. I mean, I'm not recommending them. I'm not pushing them. I'm not selling them. I don't offer any. I'm just saying they are out there, and that is another form of set it and forget it that can remove greed from your trading decisions. Okay, and then lastly, trading plan with slow growth built in. Talked about this yesterday. Don't plan on doubling, tripling, quadrupling your account. You may have those times, all right? People have those times, but that should not be your goal. Your goal should be one of those 1% per day, 2% per day, 3% per day kind of goals, okay? Set it on the spreadsheet. I did a whole spreadsheet on compounding profits. I did a video on compounding profits spreadsheet where you put that in. You set a 2% goal, 3% goal per day, and watch how that thing compounds. You can start with a very small balance and end up in a very good place in a couple of years if you set those small goals and consistently stick with it and watch your profits compound. Don't touch your profits, just let them build. So the hardest thing about that is to hit it and quit it. I don't mean that in the other sense that phrase has, but what I mean is hit your goal for the day or the week and quit. If your goal is, let's say your goal is 3% per day. At the start of the trading day, say, here's my balance. Okay, if I add 3% to that, what's my balance going to be? That's my goal for the day. Hit that goal, close your trades, walk away. Or at the longest, push it out to the week. Do the math for the week. Okay, if I add 3% on Monday, my total is going to be here. If I add 3% to that, it'll be here by Tuesday. If I add 3% to that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, what's my goal going to be at the end of the week? You might even hit that goal on Sunday when the market's open in the U.S. or Monday. If you do, great. Don't say, but it's so profitable, I don't want to leave money. Nope. Too many times you start out a trading week good or a trading day good, and things turn. So if you have a daily goal or you want to push that out to a weekly goal, never go beyond that. Just say, I want to make 50% per month or whatever. It's too hard to gauge your progress. You're like, it's just too much. So daily or weekly at most, set your dollar goal, your balance increase goal, hit it, close your trades, walk away, you're done. Go enjoy the rest of your life. If you hit it on Monday, holy hallelujah, you get 4 days off of trading, and you can enjoy your family a little more. You can do some other things. Okay? You can focus on work, enjoy some hobbies, get some reading done, whatever. I know it's hard to walk away from money, but that is how you discipline yourself and squash greed. And don't be greedy, okay? So that's the topic of today's video. And I think I hit everything. Quit while you're ahead. Use proper lot sizes. Don't overtrade. Take profits often. Set it and forget it. Automate a trading plan with slow growth. And quit while you're ahead. Hit your goals. Walk away. Live your life. The highest wealth is the absence of greed. Greed is a bottomless pit which exhausts the person in an endless effort to satisfy the need without ever reaching satisfaction. Greed is a bottomless pit. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greeds. And Jesus said, beware, guard against every kind of greed. Life is not measured by how much you own. Don't get so caught up in money or material things that you either spend too much time or over risk yourself or hurt yourself or whatever, trading. Okay? Stick to some very simple principles that we went over in this video and other videos, risk management, all these other things. They all work together hand in hand. And slow build, baby. Slow build. Let it ride. Exponentially compound your profits. That's where we're headed. No need to be greedy. There's plenty of time. Be patient. Be consistent. Be disciplined. Be self-controlled. Don't be greedy. All right, that's today's topic. That was video 23 of 30. 7 more videos to go. If you like this video, please hit like. Please hit love. If you're watching me right now on live, I can't see you. I know I'm on Facebook Live, but technical stuff, I can't see you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Please leave comments, questions. Show me some love. Hit share, whatever you like. All right, but join me for the remaining 7 videos. We have been heading somewhere with this 30 video series. Hope you've had fun along the way, and I hope you stick around for the goal. Okay, we're landing this plane on the runway. All right, have a great Saturday. Have a great Sunday. I will be here tomorrow, even though it's Sunday. I will be doing my videos, daily videos, 7 more to go. Peace. Thanks so much for joining me, and we out.